Why cryptocurrency will change the world. Hey and welcome to Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto and everything around it. Before we start, we'd like to kindly ask if you could give this video a like and subscribe to our channel if you find this video helpful. Also, we want to add that this video is not financial advice. We are not financial advisors, so before you do anything with your money, please do your own research first. With that being said, to the video now. Cryptocurrency is not a new phenomenon. Bitcoin was created in 2009 when the first cryptocurrency appeared. However, it started making a greater impact in recent years. Through the use of cryptocurrency, a variety of industries have been transformed and new opportunities have opened up for individuals and businesses. Cryptocurrencies also introduced blockchain technology to the world. Statista estimates revenue from this technology will reach more than $39 billion by 2025. With these statistics, it's clear that cryptocurrencies and the technology that supports them are making significant impact. Let's look at 5 ways in which this impact will make a difference. Here's a brief history. The mainstream awareness of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum has emerged in a dramatic and disruptive way after being relegated to the fringes of the global financial system. The concept of cryptocurrency is relatively new to many of us. The idea of creating a more open and accessible financial system has been around since the 1980s when private information could be protected and costs lowered. The first viable cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created in 2009, though there had been a number of attempts to design a more private method of performing financial transactions previously. Initially, Bitcoin enthusiasts were mainly programmers and techies who took part in early adoptions. He was rewarded with 10 Bitcoins for his effort in downloading the original Bitcoin software in 2009. How does cryptocurrency work? As I don't wish to lose you in the weeds, I'll just give you a brief overview of what cryptocurrencies are all about. Alternative cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, are constructed using a technology called blockchain. It's the simplest form. A blockchain is a digital ledger made of records called blocks. Blockchain software holds transactions across multiple computers in a decentralized, distributed fashion. It's not possible to alter blocks of a chain retroactively without changing all subsequent blocks. As well as financial transactions, blockchain is used for other purposes as well. Additionally, the system acts as a real-time ledger for contracts and physical assets. Any user of the blockchain can access the details of every block since it is open. The only person capable of making changes to an encrypted block is the one who owns that block. An owner of a block can only access it with a unique private key. The entire blockchain is updated and synced in real time every time a block is edited. Blockchain is attracting the attention of banks and corporations. This technology could have a revolutionary impact on financial institutions. It reduces costs, saves time, eliminates middlemen, and ensures greater financial privacy. Transaction complexity is reduced when using blockchain. For example, using blockchain to buy stock, a transaction can settle in minutes, not hours. Stocks purchased do not need to be processed by anyone else. Blockchain appears more secure than everything on the market today, even though no technology is 100% hack-proof. Blockchain technology is used by only 0.5% of the world's population. This technology, however, may soon make its way into mainstream use. In a typical year, Fortune 500 companies, insurance companies, tech companies, and venture capital firms dedicate billions of dollars and tens of thousands of employee hours to blockchain projects. According to experts, switching to the blockchain ledger alone would save the banking sector $12 billion per year. In summary, cryptocurrency based on blockchain technology can significantly alter the face of business and make every transaction more seamless and efficient. In contrast with paper currency, cryptocurrencies cannot be controlled or manipulated by a central bank. Our current system offers far less security and privacy, while also being less democratic and free. Blockchain technology will grow to become more accessible to ordinary individuals as the technology matures. Blockchain technology and cryptocurrency are exciting new financial alternatives, and there are many excellent YouTube videos that explain how they work. In addition, there are websites to help you understand more about the technical aspects of blockchains. If you plan to invest in cryptocurrencies, consult with a financial professional with experience. Here are some reasons to why crypto will change our world as we know it. a beneficial rise in economic activities. Currently, there's a whole industry built around cryptocurrencies that are dominated by organizations that monitor the worldwide exchanges of digital coins. Cryptocurrency is growing at an astronomical rate, as can be seen by early adopters who have become rich overnight and have discovered opportunities to start businesses. The most famous cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, has already allowed many companies and individuals to grow and prosper, while many also earn income through trading. As the economy slowly shifts, cryptocurrencies have the potential to fulfill these needs. Great opportunities for poorly banked countries. In the world, more than a third of the population doesn't have access to the basic bank services that could help them in a financial crisis. Loans, checking accounts, you name it. Many of these individuals who are already financially challenged are prone to reckless and dangerous lending practices. Due to the high interest rate of these practices, it leads to greater instability among the people applying for loans, which is where cryptocurrencies come into the picture, with their high volatility and ease of use. Now, there are numerous apps and programs that make cryptocurrency use easier and embrace a wider audience. The added benefit of cryptocurrency is the fact that it is completely decentralized, which allows trading across borders freely. Using technology can facilitate a financial revolution that will empower all individuals financially. Low transaction costs. The cost of cryptocurrency transactions is negligible because cryptocurrencies and blockchain do not require a physical brick-and-mortar building for them to exist. This natural conversion resulted in low transaction fees because employee wages, utility bills, and rent don't have to be paid. This leads to more and more people trusting these new financial tools and engaging in transactions, thereby allowing the global economy to become more interconnected. Additionally, some brokers allow you to trade without requiring a minimum deposit, such as CryptoRocket. Increased transparency of transactions. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies are based on a decentralized ledger which is entirely automated and digitalized. The eliminated possibility of fraud and corruption since the ledger cannot be manipulated by either people or companies. The underdeveloped countries are therefore more likely to contribute to financial transactions and grow their own economy. As a result, citizens will gain insight into how state funding is allocated and will be able to participate in their own political climate. Alternative international financial transactions. In addition, companies are always interested in finding an efficient way to complete international transactions. A cryptocurrency-based solution like Ripple can help with this. The Ripple platform is open source, allowing it to seamlessly transfer cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Litecoin, as well as fiat currencies such as USD and Yen. Ripple is essentially a system for settlements and remittances similar to the SWIFT system used by financial institutions, providing a platform for creatives. Musicians, for example, find it difficult to sell their work without having to deal with middlemen like producers. XRP allows creators to sell their content directly to users because consumers can pay for the content using real-world payment solutions. They can access the content. More options for secure online payments. It is easier to make online payments with cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Blockchain wallets offer secure and convenient storage of private and public keys that make payments possible. There are also many online gambling sites that accept cryptocurrency due to the added security it provides. For example, cryptocurrencies are popular among young adults and in general with players due to the added security it provides. A global online payment system, PayPal, recently announced that its online wallets will start taking cryptocurrency transactions and holdings. Give people control of their own money. Many people fear financial institutions and banks, but the fact is that keeping all their cash in their homes isn't a good idea. Any sign of an economic downturn, however, may cause them severe stress and impact their savings. Cryptocurrency enables people to take control of their money away from the banks and into their own hands. The use of this technology is free from restrictions and regulations imposed by banks and other financial institutions. Whenever people can control their own money, it's good for them. And another reason why the cryptocurrency is important is that it gives people more control. Offer scalability. Many companies either make use of existing platforms and programs customized to fit their specific needs or use platforms and programs that can be customized to a certain extent. Scalability is an issue most companies must deal with eventually. More power to entrepreneurs. There have never been better times to do business than now, thanks to blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. that enable entrepreneurs to accept payments in various currencies. This is being done to help small and medium businesses everywhere get better financial coverage and better access to global markets. The world is changing quickly, and cryptocurrencies are taking over quickly. The speed with which cryptocurrencies have taken over can be attributed to the fact that traditional financial institutions are no longer holding the fort, as well as other financial needs are emerging. As a result, the world is facing an increasing demand to tear down borders and achieve financial and social inclusion. Blockchain technology is well suited to address such demands. So what do you guys think? Pretty exciting, huh? The crypto world is still so new, and we're just getting started. We're sure that the more time that passes, we'll see more exciting new things with this new technology. This video was just a brief overview to how blockchain and crypto works and what its benefits are. We should encourage you to share this video because the more people that know about it, then the more that will adopt it, and the more the people will benefit from it. So share it with your loved ones. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, go start researching this world even deeper, because we tell you, the more you learn, the more you realize how little you really know.